Hi friends, welcome back. It's Christmas time, and here I am going to share all about this holiday season. This is my third experience of Christmas in Vancouver. I have already shared in my previous vlogs about the earlier times. But this experience is better than before because unlike usual restaurant visits, this time I am going to local markets and hidden places. So let us start this exploration. My first recommendation to you is visiting the Vancouver Christmas Market. There will be various Christmas markets in and around city, but Vancouver Christmas Market is the most famous one. This German themed market has various vendors, around 80 shops in the form of huts, and various German foods and products for you to try as you stroll and get involved in the holiday spirit. वैंकूवर में क्रिसमस के टाइम काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए हैं. As an outsider, you can never guess about these places. But since I have started living here, I am exploring these places one by one. And here is some dazzling Christmas shopping for you. Well, now it's time to check out the Christmas tree here. It is dinner time and this tree is next to various food stalls. So let's see what we will choose to eat.
This is a vegan potato bread ball. बड़ा सा bread loaf of bread है. उसको carve out करके उसके अंदर सूप डाल के देते हैं.
Let's try. Why don't we try this? There were various German themed and other food items here, but since I am a vegetarian, we started with the vegan option. If you like to drink wine, then there is a hot wine which is called as mulled wine, along with live music here. This place is very famous. Food review by Food Trawler.
हमारी पोटैटो करी जो आलू की सब्जी खाते हैं वैसी है बट थोड़ी ब्लैंड है.
We had great time here and it was time to move to the next destination because there is so much to explore during this time. We were going to check out pre-Christmas decorations through a lighting festival called as Lumiere. At a prime location called as Deva Street, you can find these light pyramids and also beautiful art form of this heart. This is created by artists from Portland, America. There are many installations by Lumiere and we wanted to check all of them one by one. So let me take you to English Bay Beach. It was time for a coffee, especially there is a holiday themed coffee at Starbucks which we really like. So this is English Bay and it's around 7 p.m. and if you've seen my summer vlog, you've seen during summer it was lot of sun right now during summers, and at the same time during winters it's so dark. Let's go check those lights. Around 7 p.m. मेरे पुराने व्लॉग में आपने यहाँ पे बहुत सारी सनलाइट देखी थी और विंटर में इसी समय रात हो चुकी है. So this orca whale is called as Luna. It's in memory of it. It is one of the orphan whale. And if you see Amazing Laughter, that sculpture is there. And there is a beautiful installation of bear also there. So it's all Christmassy but it's not Christmas yet. These are pre-Christmas decorations. Next set of hidden installations were at Bentley Centre. These are really interactive and fun installations. These light mushrooms can really pep up the holiday spirit. And our favorite were these light boxes where you get immersed into various light colored smoke.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
शेयर करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है और हमारा नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन था ग्रैनविल आइलैंड. I have shared a vlog about this during summer, and this is how Christmassy it gets during Christmas time. There is free entry to this island, however it gets closed pretty soon. It was also our anniversary time and we celebrated with these beautiful starry installations. Thank you so much friends for joining this dazzling Christmas Eve vlog from Vancouver. I still have so much to share from this place and I will be back soon with more such Christmas information. Happy holidays! Please like, share, comment and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.